Colette if you don't know me, and this is another vlog in life. Right now I'm just heading to work. I'm sorry the past videos this camera has been like super shaky, but I don't have like a support, so I'm trying not to move this time. I'm heading out to work. I have some things to do. I also have a project at work that I need to go and check, and also I have a project on my own outside, like I have to go on site and check them and just verify that everything is okay. So this is what I'm doing today and this week, probably today and tomorrow. Today is Monday, today is Tuesday. I'm gonna show you my outfit. So I'm wearing again my boyfriend's sweater. By mistake I made small because this is like wool and I mistakenly put it in the washing machine. I'm wearing my H&M pants. They're like this. When I bought them I wanted them to be open like in the bottom, but they were not. They were just like straight and down, so you know they're not my favorite, but I really like the shape. I just want to find, you know, big open ones. I found ones that are black, but I haven't worn them. Also my Converse today, and this jacket from Pull & Bear is so comfy and warm. So this is the outfit, like this, and I'm heading now. I'm heading to the office, so probably I'll see you later. The office is gonna be office. I'm gonna put the clips probably of my site visit, and I will come back to you because I need to talk to you about new things that I'm doing, things that I want to do for the next, I think for the next year, because it's already near December. So this is what it's been going on, and yeah, so I'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Friday and I am running late to work because I wanted to get there a bit earlier today, before 9, so I have, you know, I can just go home earlier because I have a meeting today. I am going to consider taking a project. My phone has been playing me for the past 2 days. You know, it's been saying like I don't have memory. Anyway, this morning I tried to record, but I couldn't, so I'm gonna finish today recording that part. Right now I just came from work, but I'm still like dressed like this because I have to go out in a few minutes because I have a potential client individually, like outside of work, and I have to go and meet her. And basically the project is not really a full-on interior design, because it's a flower shop, but the flower shop is like a franchise, so it doesn't really need, you know, to look for the colors, the textures and stuff. And this girl already has the flower shop, but she's moving it to another place. So basically what I'm going to do, if I see that I can do this project in the time that I have, because I know she told me like she wanted for a few days the project. So yeah, I have to go now and meet her in her actual flower shop place, and we're gonna talk a bit more about this because, as you know, I'm not a Romanian citizen and I'm not a Romanian architect. Even though I am an architect, I'm technically not an architect here. So basically what I can do is very limited in terms of paperwork. So the thing is that because it's a flower shop and it's, you know, outside in town, you usually need a project for the facade. And so I cannot do that. I mean, I can, but I cannot finalize it for her because she will probably need some type of signature from an architect. which I don't have in this country. So that's what I want to go and talk to her and tell her, like, okay, what exactly do you want? Do you want to work with me? And do you want to go and work with someone else for this part? Because it really it implicates a lot of paperwork, sadly. Anyway, that's like the summary for this day. I want to show you really fast my outfit because I couldn't this morning because my phone died. I'm wearing today my Converse, and I'm gonna keep wearing them because I'm going to walk. I'm wearing these kind of flare big mom pants from H&M. They're old, but like they're really big. I don't know why. They really like stretch in the day. And my Zara sweater. I think you saw it in the last vlog. So yeah, and my coat and my my same scarf. So I'm gonna go now and I'm going to record something, some parts or something for like when I'm walking there. And I'm gonna go now and eat, but let's see how this project goes. And if I finally, if I kind of close that. I'm not sure if I want to close the project because I really have a lot to do still with other projects. And as you know, I work anyway 9 to 5 and it's really, really hard, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go eat and you're gonna come with me and I will try to see if I can record something.
About 3 times, grab a protractor, measure distance between us all, always ask first, and I call Mr. Rogers if you're drinking from the well. I'm suburban on, in case you couldn't tell. Wear my shell with the belt, grab it real good, keep my pants far from hell, looking real good.
Also, we received a package today. Look who's putting it together. How's it going?
Don't get me. Take it all apart, do it all again. Because I cannot follow this stuff.
So basically, we bought this. What's the name of this in its shelf? A shelf. We bought this shelf. It got here today after 2 months. It's this one. We bought it from a site called The Home Here, but the brand is, I'm not sure, Wood? Okay, Wood. I think it's the brand. It looks like this. It's black, it's metal, and it's going to be here. Filled with good things like books, right? Hopefully. Anyway, he's putting it together. I came back from the meeting that I told you I was going, and now I'm gonna go and do the proposal for that while he's hard working here. I'm gonna go and work in something else. Working something else. I got back from the meeting with the girl that wants to do the flower shop, and right now I have to do a proposal. She seemed happy to go on with the project. It is a very small time frame to deliver, some things, but the advantage is that she really doesn't need a lot of detailing, as it's very direct, very directly, it's putting the layout of the flower shop. Because it's a franchise, she mostly has the idea of what she wants to do. She has a lot of reference and there's no basically room to play around too much, which is a good thing in this type of situations because I really need to finish this before the end of this month, probably, because she wants to open on the 16th of December, which is like crazy. So right now I'm just gonna go and propose. I'm just gonna put this light on. I'm just gonna go and write a proposal right now because I have to offer her 2 different plans, which one is very simple, very to the point, which is only floor plans and sections, which is in this case elevations with some colors here and there, or I'm gonna offer her like complete assistance, full on, you could say interior design, because I have to do some type of 3D that not necessarily is gonna be a render, but it's gonna be a 3D anyway, and that requires a little more time to do, and I have to increase the price, of course, in that. So I'm gonna write that right now, and we'll see how it goes.
I'm obsessed now, let's get real. What is it you want me here, but back up a little. So I give you space just like you said, and now I'm evil. About 3 times, grab a protractor, measure distance between us all. Always ask first in the call, Mr. Rogers, if you're drinking from the well. I'm suburbanly suburban, in case you couldn't tell. With my shell with the belt, grab it real good. Keep my pants far from hell, looking real good.
So today we also got some other things that I ordered, and I'm going to open them now with the trustworthy key. Honestly, I don't know what this is. Like, what is this? I ordered, like, look at the size of that. I originally ordered a, well, I needed to order a piece of like, I think it was eucalyptus, like little like things, fake things, just to put in one of the vases in the hallway, because well, there is no light, no sun, no anything. So I didn't want to put like a real thing, just because, you know, I'm not probably not gonna take care of it, it's gonna die super fast. So I just wanted like to put like a fake thing. And I ordered this like in September. I'm telling you, it took 2 months, and then it took myself to become a Karen. And I started texting them like, well, they did say that because we were ordering the shelf, it was gonna take like 4 weeks. So the time passed. I forgot a little about it because we didn't pay. We pay usually when it arrives. It's a system here because the store is from here anyway. And because I, you know, obviously I didn't pay, I didn't care. It passed like too long. And I think on Monday or Tuesday, I wrote an email. I said, well, where is my order? Because you said like 4 or 5 weeks and I haven't heard any update about it. And so after that, the next day, well, after that, it was like in the middle of the day, they didn't answer my email. So I became a Karen, and I texted them on Messenger, on Facebook. And well, I had the automated message. After that, I had a call from an unknown number, and they called me right away. Like, oh my God, yes, your order is gonna be arriving probably next week. We just didn't have the shelf in stock, but now we have it. And I was like, yeah, right, sure. But little did it take, and then it just arrived like the next day. No, the notification for delivery arrived literally the next day. And I thought, okay, maybe it's gonna take probably like next week it's gonna arrive. And then the next day of that notification, it arrived to us. So that's the story of how, I don't know what the hell is this, because I thought I ordered a small eucalyptus branch. So I don't know what I am going to open here. Also, the package here, it's like oh my God, I'm forgetting the words in English. It's for the bed, to add some texture to the bed. Oh my God, I'm gonna put the word here. I cannot believe I forgot the name. I'm gonna open this, and I'm gonna show you. Okay, so let's see. First, let's see what the hell is this. Because if it's a big branch of eucalyptus, what the hell am I gonna do with that, huh? What the hell? Let's just put it in here. I don't know why I don't have a scissor, but typical me. Just wanted to open this fast. What the hell? No way. No way they sent all this for just that? Like, lost two leaves. What the hell? Oh my goodness. See, there's nothing in there. Yep, it's empty. My God, I got scared. Okay, so yeah, it is. Yeah, you could say it's that, the eucalyptus thing, but I guess, you know, stall. I should just cut it here. Okay, I have to put back these two. Well, I lost. One's here. It was for nothing. Look, he used to protect it. Well, yeah, I mean, yeah. Well,
Oh, hi, someone else. What are we doing with the keys?
opening things.
I want to talk to you.
Not now, later.
No, now.
You never wanna pick up. You never wanna do the things that are inconvenient.
Okay, what is this? So, one thing, it's I ordered a beautiful terrazzo tape holder to put some tapes. I don't know why I ordered it, but it was so long ago that I don't remember. It's amazing in my desk. Huh? Isn't that cute? Oh, okay. Super cute, right? Very cute. So that's gonna be my desk. It has little things in there to protect the desk. I like it. And the second thing is for the bed. Oh, look at that. It's from Bloomingville and it's just to add some texture to the bed. So I'll show you tomorrow how it looks like. So cute, super cute. Because my bed is all white, all the bedding is white. I wanted to add some texture at the end, so I bought this one. It is very, very thick actually. So those are the things that I bought, and now I'm just gonna go and have some dinner. See, this is the end of the vlog. I am going to finish doing some things. I'm gonna finish doing some renderings here that I was doing for the Instagram, and that's gonna be the end of this vlog. And I hope you liked this week. It was a bit shorter, like the recording part, but it was filled with things to do. So I hope you enjoyed watching me go to work, and this week doing some things outside of the office as well as outside my work, the meeting and everything. I'll tell you how it goes next week. In the next week's vlog, you're gonna see if I actually win the project and what I'm gonna do with it. I'll show you the process, well, if I can, because it has to be really fast. So I'm wishing I'm gonna have the time for that, so I can show you. Basically it for this week. Hope you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe, give a like, and turn on the notifications if you want to keep looking, if you want to keep watching my working life as a foreigner in another country and how it's like, and with the language. I will talk about it a bit more later. So yeah, I hope you liked it, and I'll see you probably next week. I'm not sure I'm gonna record this weekend, but yeah, I'll see you next week for another week in the day in the week. You know what I mean. And yeah, I'll see you in the next vlog.
Just like you said, and now